Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Chrome search bar is missing. If the search bar is missing in Google Chrome, it can be caused by full screen mode, hidden toolbar settings, browser glitches, or an issue with your default search engine. So here are the best ways to restore it. So first is to exit full screen mode. If Chrome is in full screen mode, the toolbar and address bar may be hidden. So what you can do is to press F11 if you're using Windows, or if you're using Mac, press Control and Command plus F. So once you do that, the search bar should appear immediately. Next is to restart Chrome. So a simple restart can fix temporary display issues. So close all Chrome windows, then reopen Chrome, then check if the search bar is back. Next is to maximize the window. Sometimes the address bar doesn't display correctly if the browser window is minimized or resized. So what you can do is to click the maximize button in the top right corner, or you can drag the window edges to resize it. So just like this, you can do it just like that, drag it, and that's it. Next is to disable problematic extensions. So certain extensions can interfere with Chrome's interface. So open Chrome and click the three dot in the top right corner. Then look for extensions in here. Then select manage extensions. Then from here, disable extensions one at a time. So you can click remove or you can toggle it off. So if the search bar returns, remove or replace the problematic extension. Next is to check your default search engine. If searches aren't working, your default search engine may have been changed. So click the three dot in the top right corner, then open settings. Now on the left side, select search engine. Then from here, so select change. Then choose your preferred search engine such as Google, Microsoft Bing, etc. Then click set as default to confirm the action. Now, next method is to reset Chrome settings. So on the same page, so on the left side, select reset settings, then select restore settings to their original defaults. Then select reset settings, and that's it. Now, next method is to update Google Chrome. So still on settings, on the left side, select about Chrome, then install available updates, and once updated, relaunch Chrome and see if that works. Thank you for watching.